Hi everyone, going out today for our first shoot with the Profoto B10, but I thought I'd give a quick sneak peek of a test that we've actually just done using the actual continuous lighting, because it's something that's completely different to what other flashes have out there. You can see how small this actual unit is. The build quality is just exceptional. It really is gorgeous to use and hold, and very simple to operate. So this is the scenario that I came across here. I wanted to keep this beautiful ambient look in the background that I've got here from this curved roof that's above Rebecca's head, and I really do love that yellow incandescent type look that was actually on there. Now I could match this with the strobes if I wanted to, and I'd have to actually start to add gels and things like that, and again it would be all trial and error trying to match what Rebecca, to make her look like she fitted into that environment and look like she wasn't really lit. And so this is why I decided to use the continuous light that these Profotos actually give you, and also how you could control the color temperature as well. So this next part of the shoot, you'll see how I do this and bring Rebecca out of that background. Alright, so one of the great features with this flash, which no other flash has actually got out there, is the ability to use the continuous light and change the actual, not only the intensity of that continuous light, but also the color temperature as well. Now I'm going to demo that because I'm actually going to turn that on, and you'll see immediately the difference with switching that on and with switching it off. Now I'm just doing it through the iPhone here, so basically all I'm doing is I'm turning it off there and on. Now I can then change the color temperature, as you can see through here, and I can match it so it basically looks like it's about correct. And then I can also control the intensity as well by dragging this up as well. So that's basically how the app will work, and I'll take a shot now and we'll look. So now this is just going to be treated as continuous light, so it's just like I'm shooting with your normal sunlight. Okay. Alright, so now my settings are 1/60th of a second, I'm on f2.8, and I'm on ISO 320. And you can see now that I'm actually getting these beautiful shots that are without flash, so it's looking like continuous light. The light is matching the background, which is really beautiful. And again, I'm just going to come out a little bit more. Now it's coming through the 2-foot octa, so it is softened, so it has got that softening of the light as well, which is really beautiful. I'm going to come this way. Okay, yeah, that's lovely.